This is the Iron Trader. It is Sunday night. The futures opened here about 30 minutes ago. So, as usual, we are going to review crude oil and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, daily chart. Now, OPEC had their meeting here over the weekend, the last 2 days, and as a group, they're going to leave everything unchanged at 2 million barrel cuts per day as they did in the fall. However, on top of that, Saudi Arabia had a voluntary cut. They're going to start in July of 1 million barrels per day. So don't get bearish on crude. Looks like crude is going to go higher into the summer driving season here. All right, let's look at the charts. All right, today, here goes Friday. Nice gap up. All right, what we want to watch here, though, is this key 50 SMA, sitting right at 74.81. Now, if you can get it close above, then we have right here 75.67. Okay, that is going to be the next level here. Then what we want to do is we want to start looking to the top of these candles. So here you have 76.92, you have 77.93, then we have 79.07, and then your big retest here, 79.52, your 200 SMA. Now, on this gap up here, watch the low, okay? The low here is 73.30. That's your gap. Right here, the top of this candle, 72.17. That's the fill. Okay, so that's what you want to watch if it comes down. Also, what you want to do is watch this key 21 SMA. This here is sitting at 71.82, and watch this 8 SMA. This one's sitting at 71.50. Now, if those are lost, look to Friday's bottom of Friday's candle, okay? Because that is going to be sitting at 70 flat, all right? So if that's lost, then we look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 69.69. The bottom of this candle here, 69.02. Then we look at 67.51, and then your big retest there is sitting at 67.03, which lines up nicely with this nice sweet double bottom that I've been pointing out. Now, I'm long. I went long here on, well, I've been long here, and I added to the position here on Friday because, you know, when OPEC comes out, they always want to make sure that everything is in their favor. Let's just put it that way. So I just think they want and need higher prices. So again, watch the gap. Okay, on the stock, it's 73.30, and then watch that fill. That's sitting at 72.17. Okay, on the upside, watch the 50 SMA, watch this 100 SMA, and then if she can get rolling, 79.52. All right, let's take a look here on the weekly and the monthly. All right, let's do a little quick review. All right, so far, this candle right here, all right, for that week, last week, it held the key SMA here sitting at 67.30. That is going to be very, very key support level. Obviously, if that's lost, then we look to the bottom here, look at 65.38, 64.36, and then your big retest here is sitting at 63.64. Now, always watch these 8 SMAs, okay? Sitting at 73.32, your 21 here, 75.46. Obviously, if it can close above that, this is your target. 82.01, the 50 SMA. Very simple. If you get above, look to the top of that price channel there, 83.53. That's where she's going. Okay? Very simple. Now, on the monthly chart, always look at the 66.50. That is your 50 SMA. Always watch this 200 SMA here, sitting at 72.75. And then watch the key 8 SMA on the upside, 76.34, a close above, your target, 75.72. All right, let's take a look here now at natty gas. Okay, natty gas, just basically sideways action, whole lot of nothing, okay? On the downside, what you want to do is watch Friday's candle. All right, you're sitting at 2.138. Then you want to watch the previous day's candle. That's sitting at 2.136, and then your big retest here sitting at 2.031, and then 1.946. That's on the downside, okay? On the upside, watch the key 50 SMA. You're sitting at 2.23. Watch your 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.28. Your 21 2.31. If you can get above, there you are, 2.46, big retest, 2.685. Your price channel here still intact, just really a whole lot of nothing. Quick scalps I'm doing, BOIL for the long, KOLD for the short. Cold worked really good last week there. You can get 5 points at a time with no problem. Boil, you can, I used to trade like 10,000 shares on Boil there. If it broke above, then I would add to the position. But small scalps, money in the pocket. There's way better trades out there here than natural gas. Oil looks much better. Gasoline looks better. And then anything in the AI looks really good. The one I like trading is TQQQ, which is the leverage of the NASDAQ index. All right, I will see you tomorrow morning. And as usual, we will review crude oil and natty gas. Thanks for watching.